Today, I'll show you 5 ways to use AI as an interior designer. We will insert real furniture into renders, replace objects, change materials using textures, adjust the time of day, and finally, generate new angles from a single image. Let's get started with the first one. Insert real furniture. Go ahead to Rendair AI and click Start Creating. This will log you in and take you to the main page. At the top, you'll see different tabs. Go to Create then Image to Render. This section will open. On the left side, you'll see the Upload area. Here, I'll upload a bathroom image that I want to renovate. Below that, we have the Reference section. I'll upload the materials and furniture images I found online. I've added all their links in the video description so you can check them out. After uploading everything, we'll adjust the reference strength. I'll increase it to 60 so it follows the reference more closely. I'll lower the image parameters so the bathroom can change without sticking too much to the base image. Now let's add our prompt. Renovate the bathroom by looking to the materials on the references. Change the walls with the red motif tiles, chess pattern tile flooring, green marble sink, and wooden cabinet with a golden tap. Decorative mirror above the sink. Tampered glass walk-in, shower with a vertical gully and golden shower headset. New modern toilet. Finally, choose the model. I'll go with Nano Banana Pro, the latest one available. You can try different models to see how results change. Now let's generate. I'll create 4 variations. After a few seconds, here are the results. This one looks amazing. It follows almost everything from the references, only the sink and cabinet area could be better. The second one is also great, with a slightly different layout. The shower drain placement is a bit unusual though. The third one is good too, but I wouldn't place the toilet there. Since the base image has furniture, the AI tries to follow it strictly. Let's try something different. Go to the Chat tab and upload the same bathroom image. Then prompt. Remove all the furnitures on the bathroom, the bathtub, the sink, toilet, etc. Select Nano Banana Pro and generate. After a few seconds, we get a clean, empty bathroom. Download this image and use it as a new base. Now go back to create an image to render. Remove the previous input image and upload the new one. Everything else stays the same. Now generate again. Let's see the difference. Now the layout is more flexible, especially around the shower area. I really like this one, but the walk from the shower to the sink feels a bit off. This one is good, but I prompted for a walk-in shower. This has a shower cabin instead. This one looks pretty good, though I feel it could be slightly better. Wow, this one is amazing. The toilet is on a different wall, and I think this is my favorite. But honestly, the previous results were more appropriate. Let's compare. Now let's move on to the second use case, replacing an object. I have a bedroom image and a lamp I want to place inside it. Go to Chat, start a new chat, and upload both images. Then prompt, place this lamp on the second image into this room on the first image. Select Nano Banana Pro and generate. It placed the lamp, but on the drawer. I actually want it on the nightstand. So I'll refine the prompt. Try again, place it on the nightstand instead of the bumpy lamp. Generate again. Now this looks amazing. The placement feels natural and realistic. This is how easy it is to place products into a scene. You can use this method for almost any object. Let's move to the third use case, changing materials. Go back to create an image to render. Upload a base image, in this case, a living room. Adjust the settings like before, and upload a texture reference. Now prompt. Change the sofa texture with the referenced material. Generate. Perfect result. The texture is applied very naturally and pretty precise. Let's try another texture. And another one. This one looks great. I'll keep this. Now let's change the flooring. Replace the base image with the latest result, then upload a flooring texture. Update the prompt accordingly, and generate. Interesting result, it even removed the carpet to show the floor better. But another variation kept the carpet, so we have options. Let's try a terrazzo material. Again, great results. And one more texture. The same process. Let's compare before and after. Now let's change the time of day. Go to chat and upload a base image. I'll use a bedroom image to better see lighting effects. Then prompt, make this render into a night scene. Lights. Generate. This is okay, but it still keeps too much of the original lighting. So let's refine it. Try again. Night scene, dark room, brighten just with the nightstand lamp. Generate again. This is much better. Now the lighting feels more realistic and controlled. With simple prompts like this, you can simulate any time of day. Sunset, night, morning, anything. For the last use case, let's generate new angles. Go to Create Then Image to Render. Upload your base image. Then prompt something like, create a new angle of this room, slightly from above, then generate. You can also try multiple prompts like, from the right side, then from the left side. Now let's check the results. This one shows the right side, pretty accurate. This one is from above. I really like this one. And this one shows the left side. Also very consistent. So with simple prompts, you can generate entirely new viewpoints. So today we saw 5 powerful ways to use AI in interior design. Adding furniture, replacing objects, changing materials, adjusting lighting, and generating new angles. And that's it for this video. These are just a few examples, but there are countless ways to use AI like this. Go ahead and try it yourself, and let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next.